Hello and welcome to vlog number 2. So right behind me is Luxembourg. Real quick, I'm going to be showing you the cathedral and the World War II memorial statue that they have right outside that cathedral. We didn't stay very long, we were just driving through because our actual final destination from Brussels was Munich. Munich is where we're going to be staying for 2 days. We chose that location specifically so we could be in the city and still explore Munich, but also close to the Bavarian region, because the first day that we are there, we are going to Zugspitze, which is the tallest mountain in Germany. You take a beautiful train ride all the way up to a cable car, and that cable car takes you to the top of the mountain, right on the Austrian and German border. There's restaurants up there. We got a clear day. You could see incredibly far. It was just fantastic. You'll see yourself in this video, and I'll explain how to do everything, how to get there in case you ever want to go yourself. The second day, Neuschwanstein Castle. Now, that castle should need no real introduction. It's the castle the Disney castle's based off of. We had another beautiful day. I don't get to show you inside of it because they don't let you take photos and they don't let you take videos. I'll show you the trail, the short trail that we did just around the actual castle and the area around it, as much footage as I can get and I can show you, but we'll end it there. After Neuschwanstein Castle, we head to Switzerland. Now that'll be a separate video, but stay tuned if you're interested in that. Now I'm gonna leave you on the night before we go to Zugspitze, where it was Fashion Week in Munich. We had no idea, so we put on nice clothes and we went to an expensive restaurant in the Marriott hotel that we were in and had a great time. Check it out. Okay, we just came back from the restaurant. It was very good. We went a little crazy with what we ordered, had a great time. Overall, how was it?
Very good, 10 out of 10.
Very good, 10 out of 10. And let me get a sleigh and let me get a twirl. So gorgeous, very pretty. Tomorrow we are going to Zugspitze. You'll see us in the morning, probably, if not already there, at least pretty close, going to the top point of Germany, top of a mountain. Very excited. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are currently driving to Zugspitze. We were at the Marriott Hotel in Munich. Very nice hotel. It's only 55 minutes away if you guys are trying to stay somewhere close but not quite near the mountain. We are going to a train station, which I'll throw that train station name up on the screen because it's in German and I'll probably butcher it completely. From that train station, we go up to a plateau, and from that plateau, we take a gondola up to the peak of Zugspitze, which I believe there's a building with a restaurant and then great views. Looks like I'm getting pretty lucky here with a clear day. So very excited with that. And then after we are done, I believe we're taking either the world's longest gondola or the world's steepest gondola. I'm not quite sure. I'll figure that out once we get there. And I'll show everyone that once we take that gondola all the way down the mountain, then we take one last train all the way back to the original train station where our car is parked. And y'all should see the full journey and exactly what to do if you're going to want to do it yourself. Stay tuned for the whole video. I'll have markers and pop-ups on the video for specifically where we are and what we're doing. I'll also in the description put a link to the Zugspitze site where you can go buy the round-trip ticket that will get you everything that we're doing today. But stay tuned and keep watching. This parking area is right in front of the train station. There's little areas you have to go and pay for your parking, and you just put the tag right on your hood. Let's go. Come through those front doors and you'll be at the train station. You can see the Garmisch station on the other side and go down the stairs to the right just here. Get in line with printed tickets and wait for the train. Waiting for the train that runs every 30 to 40 minutes. Do what we did, print your tickets. You don't have to stand in the long ticket line and you can just go straight in after scanning your barcode. This is incredible. Need to go up there though. Should just take that gondola all the way to the top.
Guck mal, was Als quasi wie das ist, was da immer kommt.
Da war die war gleich auch mal so.
The Alps. Holy crap. Such a perfect clear day to be doing this. The luck on our side is insane. Actual summit over there. Ooh, wow. Man, we're really on the top of Germany. This is so pretty. So this gondola that goes almost straight down, it looks like, is where we will be leaving. I don't know, that's insane. The longest freestanding cable car in the world. Woo. Spooky. This is just insanely beautiful. Just another view of that gondola going straight down. That is insane. I don't think the camera is going to properly show how straight drop it that is. Oh. Ooh.
Und dann bleiben mehr und mehr stehen. Weil immer stehen bleiben und nur stehen bleiben und immer stehen bleiben.
Oh, my stomach. Whew. For reference, we were just up there.
Das ist, Leute haben uns gehasst.
Switching stations.
Jetzt hier auch noch raus. Die müssen hier jetzt auch noch raus.
Walking back underneath the tunnel to the parking lot. Back to the car, we made it! Yay! I hope visually that helped people who obviously have trouble reading the translated English on the website and are visual learners as I am. I was hoping there would be something more fleshed out like this whenever I came here, so decided to just go ahead and make it myself. But again, that was an incredible experience. We got so lucky with it being clear today. Is so lucky with it being clear. We could see so far. The food was good. Another currywurst in the books and bratwurst for me. We're going to go back to Munich and then figure out what we're going to do from there. And then we have Switzerland on the horizon. So here we go.
Boom. It is the next day. So we didn't do much after we got back yesterday. We actually ordered room service for the first time, honestly, in my entire life, which was pretty cool. And then we just relaxed because we were tired and caught up on some sleep. So it is the next day. We're currently packing and on to Neuschwanstein Castle. We're going to do the hike around the castle, and we're going to see the castle first off, do a tour, and then off to Switzerland.
There she is, if you can see her. Hopefully the ultra wide isn't too bad for it. Gorgeous. Just parked in the P3 parking lot. Gonna start heading up. This is a 1 mile complete 45-degree climb all the way to the castle. So we got here a little bit early. We're going to be doing the Neuschwanstein Loop, which is pretty much very short, but it is a lot of incline, just going all around the Neuschwanstein Castle and getting to the panoramic view site. So let's do it. So I don't know if you can hear in the background, but there are carriages and buses that will take you up to the castle if you pay them. This is a very short trail though. Just going straight to the castle is 0.8 miles. Don't know the elevation gain. I'm trying to throw that on the screen. But take your time, get here early. Good to go. Okay. Once you come up the area that we went in, you're gonna get to the main street. You take this all the way to the castle. That's where the carriages and buses will come in from. But we're gonna continue the loop right there. I can see how this can be difficult, especially when it rains. The incline's pretty steep, very rocky. Pretty muddy, even now when it's a perfectly sunny day. Has been the last 2 days. But I'm loving it. Don't fall. You can see the road that people are coming up on way down there. We're continuing up there though. The incline continues. Just to put it in perspective, I'll try to level the camera. That's more what the incline actually is. This is a turn off just at the top of this hill, but we're gonna keep going and then take a left up there. So we take a left towards Neuschwanstein to the panoramic view and then the castle itself. Well, now downhill, solid road all the way to the castle from here. Down there is the other castle, which I'll put the title on the screen since I'm not sure. First view of the castle up here. It's just incredible. For perspective, parked just down there, walked all along this ridge. Continuing walking down, walk along the castle, a few cafes and stores down there. Very, very exciting. So for just the hiking overview part, I'll probably skip through the Neuschwanstein tour very quickly and then show you the route we take going back down. But it's pretty simple, kind of just follow the main road and go back down the short trail path that we came up, but it should be very easy. Exciting. This is just taking us to the entrance. Insane. So, sitting here waiting for the Neuschwanstein tour. This castle, the front part, was built in 1869 and it wasn't finished until 1884 or 1886. 1892, wow. Wasn't exactly as close as I thought. Ironically, probably one of the newer things we're actually seeing in Bavaria, but man, Bavaria, out of all the places we've been to on this trip, is definitely the prettiest. It's insane. I'm hoping Switzerland will help top that, but we'll see. Once we're done with the tour, we'll continue down. Like I said in a clip before, it's mainly just following the road, the paved road, and then I think we can take a little quick detour on the original off-trail section that we originally came up here on. Very easy. It's definitely worth going up there and not just doing the road all the way up here and down. Following the trail route that we went gets you perfectly to the panoramic view and also just a little bit of that German forest. We're gonna do the tour and then we'll continue on the trail.
The castle was starting to get built in 1868 and it wasn't finished until 1892. And it's actually a simplified version of what the king wanted because the king died in 1886. So he died like 10 years before it was ever finished.
I'm hoping that inside the actual castle we'll be able to see what the king originally wanted. We're in. For future case, that is the bridge that you can turn on the trail that we took if you wanted to go a farther distance. Overlooks the big ravine and you can hopefully hear the rapid river.
It's down there. The Cogwheel is down there.
This is just at the top waiting for the tour. Okay, so we're currently out on the balcony. Glorious view of Bavaria, but we are not allowed to film or take photos on the tour. So what I've shown you is all you can see. Be our little secret, but you got to go see yourself now. But we're gonna head down the castle and go back down the trail. Just came out from up there. These are the carriages that can take you up. This is the turn that we're going to go down. Follow this trail all the way back to the parking lot, P1 through 3. Okay, still on the trail, back to the car, just got off the main road. Seems like a lot of people don't know that you could take this trail back to the main parking stations, but it is what it is. The castle was amazing. I wish I could have filmed inside. The throne room was my favorite. It had a beautiful floor that had examples of animals from all over the world on there, including birds. And it's really hard to put into words, but what do you think?
It was really pretty.
Was it?
Yeah.
It was very pretty. Anyways, caught me off guard that we weren't allowed to film or take photos in there, but I did say just before that I've never seen photos or videos of inside, and it all makes sense. But to get your actual thoughts, what did you think and what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the throne room. I like the chandelier.
Oh yeah, there's a 2-ton chandelier in the throne room. I totally forgot that they could lower from the ceiling to the floor, and it looked like a Bavarian king crown. Very cool. A stunning castle. I loved every floor. I think it was 4 floors. Only the second one wasn't finished, but they just turned it into 2 souvenir rooms and a small theater, as well as, what was it, a cafe, right? Which we did take a second at the cafe, had a donut, and some water. But we're going to continue down this trail, which is pretty easy. I'll hopefully put the trail on the screen for you. Takes you right back to the parking lot, and then we're done. Neuschwanstein complete. Hopefully this video helped you a little bit. And for the vlog, continuing on to Switzerland. Grindelwald, here we come. Should be coming out of a cafe just down here and right across the street. Over there is the parking lot. Back at the car, parking paid, officially on our way to Switzerland. I'll see you guys on the road. I'm sure I'll have a lot of shots of the Switzerland landscape. It's a very pretty day.